every now and then I like to play this little game where I just knock on random people's door and hope it's not Ben.
What?
Well, today I lost. So here he is in all his glory, and for those of you who don't believe it's actually Ben, I got him to give you a little sample of his abilities.
So do you know what we're doing today, Ben?
What are we doing today?
Bird watching.
Oh, no way.
I've got my bird watching book.
That says flags.
I know, but I'm pretty sure the skills transfer. It hasn't got Tokilau in, no.
Tokilau?
Tokilau.
Anybody want to play post sticks?
What can you hear, Ben?
Rowdy.
For a boy who just gave me rowdy as an answer to a question I'm pretty sure rowdy was not the answer to, he looked way too pleased with himself.
Some peeping birds, yeah. There's a bird. There's a bird. Big bird.
Is that a Norwegian blue?
I don't know that. Look at it go.
Now, I'm not too sure what Ben thought was going to happen here. Maybe it would randomly spring him back onto his own 2 feet. Yeah, I'll just shut my app. I know you want to see this just as much as I do.
Ow! I winded myself.
Clearly bored out of our minds and disappointed we haven't found anything decent, we just decided to advertise the merch. Keep His Zappy shirts, now available nowhere. That's when we got some intel that there was a rare bird on the loose. There it was, just a peacock knocking about the allotments. I think after a long day of bird watching, it was nice to actually see a bird. And if I'm honest with you, I've never seen Ben so happy in my life. This needs to change.